everyone, and welcome back. Today we're going in-depth on how to safely store breast milk to protect your baby's nutrition and health. After expressing milk, always use clean, sterilized containers or breast milk storage bags designed for this purpose. Avoid regular plastic bags that are not made for food storage. Label each container with the date and time you pumped. If your baby attends daycare, you may also want to label with your baby's name. Freshly expressed milk can stay at room temperature for a limited number of hours, depending on the temperature of the room. In the refrigerator, it can last several days, and in the freezer, it can be stored much longer. Always follow updated health authority guidelines for exact timing. Store milk in small portions, about 2 to 4 ounces, to reduce waste. Babies may not always finish a large bottle, and unused milk should not be saved for later feedings. When freezing milk, leave a little space at the top of the container because milk expands when frozen. To thaw frozen milk, place it in the refrigerator overnight or hold the container under warm running water. Avoid microwaving, as it can create uneven heating and reduce some beneficial properties. Once milk is thawed, use it within the recommended time frame and do not refreeze it.